Back with Mr. Dirt Dot and taking a video of all the animals. There's some cats. What?
Emma, come on, please.
Here we go. These are really cute. Geez, that one has... Look at its tail. Mommy, you gotta come here. Come here, hurry. Look at his tail, Mommy. Oh my God, look. Look at his tail. Aw, that's cute. Oh, that one's pretty cute. I like that.
Mom, this one's for free. Jesus. This one's for
$350. See if I can find Dallas. Gross. Geez, look at those. It literally smells horrible in here.
Go ask him if we can go back there today.
No. Those buttons look happy.
Can you view the dogs back there or not? Not today. Okay. But there's information. Okay. There's more available at the Okay.
Mommy, can I look at the cats? Yay. Look at those. Oh, look at all those baby cats. That's cute. It doesn't look like there's any here. It looks like that. No, that one doesn't have red eyes. I'm not a really big fan of cats, but I guess I'll look at them anyway. The Patch Foundation. Oh my God, look at that. Okay. I'm gonna end this video soon. Leave in the comments more things to do. Thank you. Subscribe. Make sure to subscribe. I will do some gaming videos. And thanks. Oh, jeez. can change the color. I'm just getting the darkness or the lightness there. That's better. Oh my god, that's pretty cute. Oh, look at him, everybody. You gotta leave on the channel, huh? Oh my god, there's two. Do you guys see this? Those are pretty cute. Oh, there's one up here and one up there. Hello. They follow the phone. That one's a little scared. This one's sleeping. I'm gonna end this video here. Have a dirt daddy day. See you guys.